Gianni Crespi Foderami was founded in 1921 and specialises in production of high-quality garment linings. Our raw material is the yarn that we buy from the best manufacturers in the world. We are vertically organised, meaning we are able to monitor every part of the process to achieve high levels of service and a superior final product. A strict quality control plan for raw materials and the close involvement of all the supply chain allow our company to offer processes and manufacturing in accordance with the most stringent requirements of the major fashion and luxury brands. The backbone of our production is the manufacture of linings that are ready to order. The most popular linings are available in a wide range of colours through our stock service that offers prompt delivery. The entire production is made in Italy. Our company uses the latest available technology within the textile sector, with the aim of minimising emissions to avoid polluting the atmosphere, using less water, and reducing the depletion of natural resources. We also care about the safety of employees in the workplace, with constant monitoring and improvements that go beyond legislative compliance. Innovation keeps our company in step with the times, and together with respect for values and tradition, it is a part of our corporate identity.